If you've ever wished you could plan and track all your client projects in one place without bouncing between spreadsheets, emails, and random notes, this video is exactly what you've been looking for. Stick around because I've tried all the big name tools and narrowed it down to the one that actually gets the job done, fast. And yes, I've secured an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. You'll find that link in the description if you want to follow along. Let's jump straight in. First, create a dedicated workspace for your client projects. Think of this as your mission control. Inside the software we're using, you can build out sections for each client. This helps keep things clean and focused. No more digging through messy folders or wondering which doc goes where. For each client, set up a project board. Keep it simple. To do, in progress, waiting for feedback, and done. This visual flow is what helps you actually track client projects in one place. Every task should live here. Don't rely on memory or scattered sticky notes again. Now add key tasks to the board. Kickoff calls, content drafts, reviews, final delivery, whatever your process is. Add due dates to each one, assign them to team members if needed, and attach any relevant files or links directly to the task. Everything stays centralized. No need to ask, where's that file, ever again. Next, use project templates to save time. If you work with similar clients or repeat projects, you can duplicate an existing board and instantly have the entire structure ready to go. Just tweak the tasks and dates. Huge time saver. Now here's the part that really pulls everything together. Use the calendar or timeline view. This gives you a bird's eye view of all deadlines across every client. No more surprises. You'll know exactly what's coming up, what's behind, and what needs your attention today. If you're collaborating with clients directly, you can share specific boards with them. That way, they see only what you want them to see, and feedback stays in one place. No long email threads or lost updates. And if you're working solo, this still keeps you on track. You'll show up every day knowing exactly what to do and when to do it. Quick bonus tip, set up simple automations. When a task is marked complete, move it to the next stage automatically. Or set reminders before deadlines hit. This reduces manual work and keeps projects moving. The key takeaway? If you want to plan and track client projects in one place without wasting time or losing files, you need one system that does it all. This software makes it easy to organize, update, and actually deliver on time. Let's quickly recap. Create one workspace for all clients. Use boards with stages to track progress. Add tasks with dates, files, and assignees. Use templates to save time. Switch to calendar or timeline view to see everything at a glance. Share boards with clients or keep them internal. Set up automations to stay efficient. If you haven't already, grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's just for Dan Thorne viewers, and it's the fastest way to get started right now. You'll thank yourself later when everything's finally running smooth.